However, with a group of people dedicated to providing free volunteer medical care to the most vulnerable people in Santa Barbara County. News Channel 3 reporter Jim Murray joins us now. And Jim, you spent the evening at Alameda Park with the Doctors Without Walls tonight.
Well, absolutely. CJ, tonight was one of their weekly clinics. Well, since 2005, they're providing what they call street medicine. That means they deliver health care and services directly to people living and sleeping on the streets, and it was an inspiration to see them in action. They serve almost 1,300 people yearly. Some are doctors, others are social workers and paramedics. And some just come out to volunteer their time to help the people in our community that need help the most, the people living in the streets.
I got involved because I was doing volunteer work in Africa, and gets a little pricey sometimes to send yourself to Africa to go help out. And so my husband said the same thing. He said, "Oh, why don't why is everyone going to go to Africa? It's so glamorous sounding." He goes, "There's plenty of people who need help here." Darn, I hate it. He was right.
Dr. Mary Louise Scully is an infectious disease physician at Sansom Clinic by day. But she, along with countless others, volunteer their time and energy to help a group of people who have fallen through the cracks of our healthcare system.
As part of our mission statement, we're catering to the homeless, but also to the working poor. A lot of our patients aren't homeless. They actually have a home, but maybe they just lost their job, lost their insurance.
Histamine reactions going on with the eyes.
The team also performs street rounds once a week, filling up their backpacks with medicine and other supplies.
When we see them, they often have illnesses and injuries that would otherwise go untreated.
The statistics are staggering. Over 79% of the homeless in Santa Barbara have some disease that put them at risk of premature death. And even though they can't save everyone, the nonprofit has had incredible success.
Every now and then there's a wonderful, we get somebody into housing that was homeless and get a job and see them kind of move on. So you feel very good about doing something to help.
Well, they have their clinics Wednesday nights at Pershing Park, Thursday at Alameda Park. The group is comprised of over 170 volunteers. It's clear they're making a difference.
It's so nice to see them out there doing that. What a great project.
It's unbelievable to see them come together like that, yeah.
Thank you, Jim. Now to Ferguson, Missouri. Today, the